How to cancel a transfer on Royal Bank of Canada. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to cancel a transaction, here is the process on how. First and foremost, head over to your Royal Bank of Canada and launch the application and log in. Once you're on the home page, tap on Move Money. If you want to see a history of Interac e-transfer, iOS user must select Send and Interac e-transfer and Android users must select the action button in the navigation bar and then the viewing upcoming and history. So tap on the option as per your device and then you land to another page. Now tap on history section and the transaction you have made. Once you have selected on it, tap on cancel transfer button. After that, you have to select the deposit bank into and choose your account. Then tap on cancel now, and once you have done all of this, you have successfully cancelled your transfer. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.